Hey kings and queens, so today we are doing cash envelope stuffing, y'all. Cash envelope stuffing. We got the monies up in here and we about to get this money stuffed. Okay, we about to get these envelopes stuffed. I'm so excited. If you're new to the channel, thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back sis, welcome back sir. How you doing or whatever. But yeah, hella excited. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay y'all, so today, as I said, we're gonna be stuffing our cash envelopes because baby, okay, your girl needs food, okay? Groceries in the cash envelopes, and that's what we're gonna be stuffing. As you guys know before, if you watch my budget with me video, cash envelopes is $515, which is all of this, oh baby, all of it. So $515. So what am I doing? Oh, send up the money. So I just have 5 10s and 1s, guys. I don't have nothing else. The other, when I do my sinking funds video, then I would have like 1s and 50s and stuff. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna be doing stuffing these cash envelopes for you, and I'm so excited. And like, your girl need to eat because groceries in cash envelopes, and it's August 1st. I'm recording this, so yeah. Anyways, so I am currently still in my Ziploc cash envelopes, and so I'm gonna be changing them out, but currently, you know, they're gonna stay where they're at. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to be updating my cash envelopes. You know, of course, my A1 since day one in the video is my Pilot G2 pens, and I have the red and green one. Don't think I need the red one, but I have it just in case. I'm mostly using green because we are putting money in our envelopes. So let me stop blabbering and start this video. Also, your girl has a cheat sheet right here to reference, so yeah. All right, so the first thing we have is groceries. Now groceries get $200. They get 8 20s actually, and 4 10s. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, wait, did I got that right? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, and then 4 10s. And basically this is me doing $50 a week for groceries. So that's why there is 8 20s and 4 10s. And your girl is hungry, so I'm ready. There's nothing left in this because, as you guys know, when your girl was in quarantine, she used all her coins. So I'm gonna update this. So on 8.1, girl have, ooh, wrong pen, y'all. Get out. Get to toe. I didn't think I would need the whiteout, but apparently your girl is just not ready. Okay, so groceries. I didn't think I was gonna need the whiteout, but yeah. Let me tell y'all. So this whiteout is very essential because, baby, it lets me know that if I make a mistake, like, it will get me back to where I need to be. So this whiteout, very essential. And so that is groceries for $200. Just put this bad boy back in here. Come on, go in. Don't be scared. Don't be scared of it. Go on in there. Okay, there we go. Okay, next we're moving on to car gas. As you guys see, I have some money left over for car gas. So if you don't know, now you know. So I have, let's see, $29 according to this. I have 1 2 3 4 9 and a 20. So 1 5 and a 20, so that's $29. But I do not keep gas to the next month. I just put it in savings. So we're gonna put this to the side for now. We're gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna put it right here so I can remember. Ooh, I'm gonna put it over here on the left so I can remember. But we always take the money that is left over in gas and we move it to savings. And so this also helps me, you know, helps me in saving more money, because if I didn't use it in the month, then I didn't need it, you know? If you didn't use it, you didn't need it. So yeah, that's how I do gas. So gas gets $50, and that is a 220s, and that is also 2 5s. Well, yes, 2 5s, because I do $25 every 2 weeks. So 25 for the first 2, 25 for the second 2 of the month. And so that is how I do gas. Like I just said though, like your girl's in quarantine, so she wasn't like driving anywhere, and I think I got gas after an entire month in here, so like I saved a lot. So anyways, that was car gas. I literally just filled up, so I'm on full still because I literally just filled up. That was car gas. The next thing we're stuffing is hair. Y'all, I got my hair done. Your girl got some box berets, and that cost me $160. And so I got $20 left in here from me getting my hair done. So I am adding the usual 60 to here. So now we should be back up to $80. And so for here I did 320s. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So 20, 40, 60, 70, $80 is what I should have in here. And so that is what I have for hair care. Yeah, that is what your girl has for hair care. Toiletries. How much is toiletries gonna get? Because like I did a combo, so I don't remember. Toiletries is getting $25 though. $25. So they're getting a 20 and a 5. Ooh, my last 5. Let me bring shorty down. 20 and a 5. So they're getting $25 because let me tell y'all, everybody that could have been used that kept me in budget was used in July. Okay, I already told y'all I was acting up. I wasn't acting up, but I basically like used the money that was available because I literally needed to eat, because I like my budget got screwed with me not being able to go to the store myself. And so like because I couldn't do it because I was in quarantine, like everything got thrown off, and so I went out of budget. But the time of this recording is August 1st, so your girl is getting her life back together. So toiletries got $25. Then house stuff is getting $30, because when I was in, like I said, when I was in quarantine, I couldn't get my stuff, and I needed a whole bunch of stuff, guys. I don't like this 20. You see how flimsy this 20 is? I'm gonna have to switch it out so I can spend it, because I don't like, no, I don't like that. So I'm gonna put this 20 for later so I can use it. I'm probably gonna make it my bank deposit 20. So 20, and I said 30 for toiletries. Okay, so a 20 and a 10, that's what we are getting for toiletries. And today is the 1st of August. 20, that's $30. Like I needed a lot. I needed laundry detergent, I needed fabric softener, I needed so much during this quarantine. And like I said, I'm gonna go get it myself, so like I wasn't about to be nitpicky, and so I did end up going out of budget, but I am definitely back on the grind, guys. Back on the grind to getting it corrected. So that was house stuff, and we are a-okay. Now personal care, I don't know why I be short falling myself. Like sometimes I need to get my feet done. I really do need to get my feet done. Like really do need to get my feet done. But like I will just like, it's not something necessary. Like I don't need to get it. Like I really don't need to get it, but you know, sometimes just want to do stuff. And so I'm giving personal care $30 so that I can get my feet done, because like no, girl needs to feel cute. So I'm giving myself $30, get my feet done. That's normally what it costs about to do your feet anyways, get it painted and stuff. Well, it might be a little bit more expensive here in Korea. I haven't got my haven't got my feet done in a while, so I don't know, but personal care gets $30 because like she needs to get her feet done. So going away dinner is getting $20 and it's getting 2 tens. I think I always do 2 tens for going away dinner. I give them $20 because listen, if we can't go somewhere, eat or whatever for $20, sis, I mean, I don't normally get appetizers because I get full real easy. Depends, you know, if it's something that you like you make space. But normally, like when I go out to eat, like I just do, my bill won't come up to more than $20. And normally if we're going someplace, like it just works out that way anyway. So $20 for going away dinner, I feel like it's enough. So that is that. Going away dinner is that. Okay, spending money, I get $60, correct? $60. So I get 2 20s, which is these two 20s, and then I get 2 10s. Let me fix that back. 2 20s and 2 10s. I gave myself like $10 extra this month, so it's basically like $12.50 a week because there's 4 weeks in the month. So I gave myself $60, and that is, wait, hold on, this is spending money. No, spending money is $40, y'all. Who am I? Spending money is $40 and they get 4 tens. I am so sorry. I'm like, I thought about it. I was like, what? They get 4 tens. So there we go. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Yeah, this is spending money. It is $10 a week. I don't know what is up. I was thinking about going out, and this is spending money. 8.1.20. Yeah, guys, you get $10 a week, and I can buy basically whatever I want with that $10. It is my personal choice. I don't track it. Like if I want Jamba Juice, I can get Jamba Juice or something like that. So that's usually what my spending money goes to anyways. So that's my spending money for the week. Or breakfast, because I really be sometimes lazy to cook breakfast. Like I have the food, but are you lazy to cook it? Like, are you not lazy to cook breakfast sometimes too? Like I am. But anyways, spending money gets $40. And so going out is the last thing that we have, and going out should have $60, and so that is 20, 40, 60, guys, so we did it correctly. Oh my gosh, we did it correctly. Like there's no money left over. Yes, there's no money left over. So going out gets the last 60 that is available. Ooh, aerobatics. Gets the last 60 that is available. So yeah, baby, yeah. And so that's for me going out with my friends or whatever. And yeah, so that's all 60. That was, oh, my cash envelopes all stuffed. Yes, good. So yeah, guys, that is basically all for this cash envelope stuffing. You know, we're gonna be stuffing our sinking funds in a separate video, so look out for that. But that completes our cash envelopes. And so that is that. Now the only other thing is this $29. So this is our pan that I have. It was obviously a wafers pan, but it's a wafers pan. And so what I did was, they were buying a lot because I have 2 of these. They were bringing them, you know, to work, and I was like, oh, I usually don't spend on my fuel money. And so that's how this really started, because I wasn't spending on my fuel. Look at that. Yeah, you think, right? That's why I love doing my money like this. Like, let people think like it's a whole bunch of wands, but like, you know, you open that bad boy, boom, it's a 50, baby. 20s and 10s, baby. 5s, boom. But yeah, I really be having leftover money in my cash envelope, so I could lower them, but I don't, because I know I can save with this as well. So this is the money that we are going to count when we are leaving Korea. It's basically going to be like our final cash envelope, guys, like our final one. Well, not our final cash envelope, but our final cash count for when we leave here. Like, We're gonna be dipping. So just make sure this is in order, because one thing I hate is them not being in order or them being upside down. Like, I hate that. Like, I need everybody to be the same way, face front, baby. Like, I hate that so much. So, but yeah, this is basically it. Turn around, see that 5 right there trying to play me? Yep. So this is basically all of our money that we have saved so far, just from what was left over in our cash envelopes and everything. So I just keep this, and like I said, once we are leaving here in Korea, I'm gonna count this, and you guys will know how much like we have saved separate in our you know, cash envelope money that we did not use. So that's this bad boy right here. So we just put it back in here, close it up, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel, y'all. We are here, we are building wealth, we're making money moves basically, and we are just trying to get out of this rat race and live life more abundantly. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.